let's create in this video the autocorrelation plot. We also need the function that enable us to create the autocorrelation plot. So we go here to our libraries, and then over here, it's actually also within the stats models graphics TSA plots. And then we just get here our plot and then underscore ACF. This is it. Let's do Control Enter. And we go all the way to the bottom. And one super simple way is, so ACF plot as a comment is to do plot underscore ACF and then data frame dot y. Control Enter, and let's see what we get out of here. The first thing is that, we do see some auto correlation here. What I will do is that I want to make this bigger. And of course, I could zoom in, or I can create a bigger plot. And here I use pyplot, so PLT, and then RC, and then params with a capital T, and then open square brackets, and then figure, and then dot fig size inside quotes. It's also important. And then I go here and I do equals, and let's do 16 and 6, since these were also the settings for the previous graph. And over here, next we do plt dot show, and then lastly, because we are getting 2, we do a semicolon, and we do Control Enter now. And here you go. I think this is much nicer. Now, what is here? So the correlation is always 1 in the first one, because correlation of lag 0 would always be 1 because you're correlating with the value itself. And then we do see that we actually have a higher correlation on the second day, not the first lag, which is kind of uncommon. But one thing that we were expecting to see is that if we were to have a seasonality during the week, then we would expect some kind of seasonal correlation, right? So on the 7th, on the 14th, on the 21st, you always have some kind of higher value. But all in all, the correlations are always very, very high, which means that we do have information in the past that will help us predict the future. And this is the key idea behind this video and also of the autocorrelation. I'll stop here and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have fun.